Realme GT8 Pro smartphone. Technical specifications. Availability. Launch date, 20th November 2025. Sale start date, 25th November 2025, 12 p.m. IST. Retail platforms, Flipkart, Realme India official website, and mainline offline retailers. Variants. The device is available in India in the following configurations. Standard model. 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage. 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage. Special Edition. Dream Edition, Aston Martin Aramco F1. 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage. Price in India. 12 GB plus 256 GB, 72,999 rupees, MRP, effective price with offers, ~rupees 67,999. 16 GB plus 512 GB, 78,999 rupees, MRP, effective price with offers, ~rupees 73,999. Dream Edition, 16 plus 512 GB 79,999 rupees. Performance. Processor, SoC Qualcomm Snapdragon registered trademark symbol 8 Elite Gen 5, 3nm process technology. CPU architecture, Octa-core, 2x Oryon Prime cores at 4.6 GHz plus 6x Oryon Performance cores at 3.62 GHz. Dedicated graphics chip, proprietary Hyper-Vision Plus I chip for enhanced visual processing and game frame interpolation. Benchmark performance, AnTuTu score exceeding 4,000,000 points. Hardware. RAM type, LPDDR5X Ultra. Storage type, UFS 4.1. Cooling system, 7K Ultimate VC cooling system, 7000 mm superscript 2 vapor chamber area. Biometrics, ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. Audio, symmetric master acoustic stereo speakers with Reality audio. Haptics, tactile engine pro, X-axis linear motor. Display. Panel technology, 6.79-inch Samsung 2K AMOLED, LTPO. Resolution, 3136 x 1440 pixels, QHD+. Refresh rate, adaptive 144 Hz, 1 Hz 144 Hz variable. Brightness, 2000 nits, high brightness mode. 7000 nits, local peak brightness. Features, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 2160 Hz high frequency PWM dimming, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. Battery and charging. Battery capacity, 7000 mAh, Titan battery, silicon carbon anode technology. Wired charging, 120W ultra charge, 0 to 50% in approx 15 minutes. Wireless charging, 50W wireless flash charge. Reverse charging, supported, 10W wireless, 5W wired. Main cameras, rear. Primary sensor, 50 MP, 11.56-inch sensor, f1.8 aperture, OIS. Telephoto sensor, 200 MP periscope lens, f2.6 aperture, 11.4, sensor. Supports 3x optical zoom, 6x lossless zoom, and up to 120x super zoom. Ultra-wide sensor, 50 MP, 116 degrees field of view, f2.0 aperture. Imaging partnership, Ricoh GR certification. Features, Ricoh GR mode, with classic street photography filters, positive film, negative film, high contrast P&W. Front camera. Sensor, 32 MP, f2.45 aperture, 90 degrees field of view. Video recording. Rear camera. 8K video at 30 fps. 4K video at 120 fps, 60 fps, 30 fps. Dolby Vision HDR recording. Front camera, 4K video at 60 fps. Design. Unique feature, switchable camera deco. The camera module frame, deco, is modular and can be detached swapped for different styles, round, square, etc. Color options. Dairy white, eco leather finish, urban blue, glass finish. Dream edition, custom Aston Martin racing green with F1 inspired aesthetics. Dimensions, -8.2 mm thickness. Weight, -214 g, urban blue, -218 g, dairy white. Durability. Ingress protection, IP68 and IP69 certified, dust tight, protected against continuous immersion and high pressure high temperature water jets. Build, metal middle frame with high durability glass wagon leather back. Software. Operating system, Realme UI 7.0. Base, Android 16. Features, Fluid Cloud, Dynamic Notifications, Smart Loop, and F1 inspired themes on the Dream Edition. Software updates. OS upgrades, 4 years of Android OS updates. Security updates, 5 years of security patches. Connectivity. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 7, 802.11b. Bluetooth, Bluetooth 6.0. NFC, yes, 360 degrees NFC. IR Blaster, yes, Universal Remote Control. SIM, Dual Nano SIM, 5G plus 5G. Artificial Intelligence features. Hypervision Plus, eye-driven MEMC, motion estimation, motion compensation, for smoother gaming and video. iGaming Coach, analyzes gameplay and offers improvement tips. iFraming Master, intelligent composition suggestions for photography. iSmart Reply, context-aware quick replies in messaging apps. iNotify Brief, summarizes notifications to reduce clutter.